Welcome to our channel. If you're someone who's been trying to crack the code of affiliate marketing or you're just looking for a smarter, faster way to build passive income online, you're in for a treat. Today, we're reviewing a brand new AI-powered tool called Affiliate Reel AI that promises to do what used to take days, or even weeks, in just a few clicks. Whether you're a beginner with no technical skills or a seasoned marketer looking to scale your income streams, this tool could be a total game changer. It builds complete affiliate mini sites, writes product reviews, generates videos, optimizes for SEO, and even helps you monetize, all on autopilot. If you've been stuck trying to create affiliate websites, struggling to get traffic, or overwhelmed with content creation, Affiliate Reel AI automates it all, saving you time, money, and a lot of frustration. And the best part? It works across any niche and integrates with major affiliate networks like Amazon, ClickBank, JVZoo, and more. But before we dive into all the features, how it works, and what you can expect, do us a quick favor, hit that like button, share this video with a friend who's into online business, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our latest reviews and tutorials. If you're ready to start building passive income the smart way, the link to Affiliate Reel AI is in the description below. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is Affiliate Reel AI? Affiliate Reel AI is an all-in-one, AI-powered platform designed specifically for affiliate marketers who want to build income-generating websites quickly and effortlessly. It allows you to create fully functional, professionally designed affiliate mini sites in under 60 seconds, without any coding, writing, or design experience. The platform takes care of all the complex, time-consuming parts of affiliate marketing. Think of it as your personal team of content writers, designers, video editors, and SEO experts all rolled into one smart AI tool. With just a few clicks, it researches top products, generates high-quality product reviews, builds attractive pages, creates video reviews with voiceovers, and optimizes everything for SEO and monetization. What makes Affiliate Reel AI truly unique is its ability to automate the entire affiliate marketing process from start to finish. Most platforms might offer landing page builders or content templates, but Affiliate Reel AI goes several steps further by actually generating ready-to-rank, ready-to-earn websites that are fully monetized from day one. Whether you're promoting digital products from ClickBank, physical goods from Amazon, or software tools from JVZoo, Affiliate Reel AI helps you build a strong, scalable affiliate business without spending hours creating content or thousands hiring freelancers. And because it's built for speed and ease, it's perfect for both complete beginners and advanced marketers looking to scale across multiple niches. In short, Affiliate Reel AI is not just another tool, it's a complete affiliate business in a box, powered by AI, and designed to help you launch and grow passive income streams faster than ever before. Affiliate Reel AI is packed with an impressive suite of features designed to make affiliate marketing easier, faster, and more profitable, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. One of its biggest highlights is the AI-powered affiliate mini site builder that allows you to launch fully functional, beautifully designed affiliate websites in under 60 seconds. These sites aren't just placeholders, they're optimized with strategic layouts, compelling calls to action, and high-converting product showcases. With full commercial rights included, you can sell these sites to clients, flip them on marketplaces like Flippa, or build a portfolio of passive income assets in multiple niches. But Affiliate Reel AI doesn't stop at just building the site, it creates all the content for you too. The platform generates human-like product reviews, comparison tables, and detailed buyer guides that feel authentic and persuasive, not robotic or generic. Plus, it produces AI-generated video reviews complete with visuals, voiceovers, and conversion-focused scripts, perfect for engaging visitors and increasing affiliate sales. You also get access to bonus page creation tools to boost your offers, image editing features for custom product showcases, and professionally designed templates and backgrounds that help your sites stand out and look trustworthy from day one. When it comes to visibility and traffic, Affiliate Reel AI truly shines. It comes with built-in SEO optimization, including schema markup, keyword-rich content, and smart internal linking. It also features automated backlink building and one-click social media sharing, making it easier than ever to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. You can even convert existing blog posts or YouTube scripts into monetized affiliate content, giving new life to your old material. And with the Affiliate Site Planner and Content Calendar, you'll stay organized, schedule promotions, and capitalize on seasonal trends like a pro. To top it all off, Affiliate Reel AI provides you with the tools to track and improve performance over time. The analytics dashboard helps you monitor traffic, clicks, conversions, and earnings across all your sites in real time. Integration with Google Analytics gives you deeper visitor insights, while email capture tools help you grow your list and remarket to leads. You'll also benefit from done-for-you niche research, mobile responsive design, and seamless integration with all major affiliate networks like Amazon, ClickBank, JVZoo, and ShareASale. With comprehensive training, regular updates, and 12 months of expert support, Affiliate Relay AI gives you everything you need to succeed in affiliate marketing without the overwhelm. Affiliate Relay AI makes building affiliate sites incredibly simple with a streamlined, step-by-step process. First, you begin by selecting your niche, target country, language, and the affiliate network you want to work with. You can either pick a product from the built-in marketplace or manually enter one of your own. Once you've chosen a product, Affiliate Relay AI gets to work automatically pulling relevant product data to generate your affiliate mini site. You can then customize key site elements like the site title, tagline, logo, subdomain, and even connect your own custom domain to establish a stronger brand presence. Next, the AI kicks in with its powerful content engine. It studies the product and your target audience using its built-in knowledge base and optional user input. From there, it generates product reviews, comparison tables, blog posts, and buyer guides tailored to convert visitors into buyers. You can select from various high-converting templates and even create bonus offers to increase your commissions. If you want to enhance engagement even further, the platform can also produce video reviews using AI-generated scripts, voiceovers, talking head avatars, and branded visuals. No video editing skills required. Once your content and videos are ready, Affiliate Relay AI moves on to monetization. You simply insert your affiliate link or quickly obtain one via a direct link to the product's JV page, and the platform embeds your link throughout the entire site automatically. From there, you can personalize your content further by setting the tone of voice, target audience, and content style, making each site unique. The result is a fully loaded affiliate mini site with SEO-optimized content, embedded affiliate links, bonus pages, and videos, all ready to go live in just a few clicks. To top it off, Affiliate Relay AI provides a full suite of AI-powered traffic generation tools to drive visitors to your site. It auto-creates and publishes short-form videos for YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels, generates answers on Quora and Reddit with backlinks to your site, and automates Pinterest pin creation. You can also syndicate content via PDF guides, Google Web Stories, and video platforms for broader exposure. There's even an AI chatbot you can add to your mini site to answer questions and guide users toward your affiliate offers. Once launched, you can monitor performance in real time using the built-in analytics dashboard and scale across niches or offer site building as a service using your included commercial license. It's truly a hands-off affiliate marketing solution with end-to-end automation. If you decide to grab your copy of Affiliate Relay AI today, you're not just getting a powerful AI-driven platform, you're also unlocking an incredible set of exclusive launch bonuses designed to skyrocket your success. First up is Bonus 1, Article to Voice Creator, a simple yet powerful tool that lets you convert any written article into natural-sounding, human-like voiceovers. Just copy and paste your content, click a button, and instantly download an MP3 audio version. This is perfect for turning your affiliate blog posts into podcasts or video narrations, helping you repurpose your content across platforms and reach a wider audience with ease. Next, you'll get Bonus 2, Courseable Traffic Blaster, a game-changing tool for automating your Pinterest marketing, a goldmine for free traffic. With this app, you can create niche-specific boards and schedule posts on autopilot, helping you attract thousands of targeted visitors from Pinterest to your affiliate sites without spending a dime on ads. On top of that, there's Bonus 3, SEO Software Pro, a straightforward yet highly effective keyword rank checker. This tool allows you to track your keyword positions in Google, giving you the data needed to fine-tune your content strategy and boost your visibility in search engines. But that's not all. Bonus 4, Commercial License Upgrade takes things to the next level by enabling you to create and sell AI-generated podcasts as a full-blown business. Whether you're working with influencers, marketers, or brands, you can offer professional quality audio content without recording anything yourself and keep 100% of the profits. You'll also be invited to Bonus 5, Red Carpet Live Training, where you'll learn how to launch, automate, and monetize AI-powered podcasts step-by-step, even if you've never created a podcast before. This is your backstage pass to mastering podcast monetization with zero technical effort. Lastly, as part of the launch week offer, you get Bonus 6, additional credits, meaning all setup and monthly fees are waived when you upgrade to the Pro version. You only pay a one-time, deeply discounted price and never worry about recurring charges. Plus, you'll receive a free commercial license to use Affiliate Relay AI without limitations, allowing you to create and sell affiliate mini sites to businesses, marketers, or clients as a full-fledged service. And to ensure you hit the ground running, you also get access to the exclusive VIP training, How to Build a Six-Figure Affiliate Empire with Affiliate Relay AI. This in-depth session reveals proven strategies to turn Affiliate Relay AI into a consistent income machine. These bonuses alone make the deal worth far more than a small investment you'll make today. Affiliate Relay AI is currently available at a launch price of just $39, offering an incredible value for anyone looking to start or scale an affiliate marketing business. For this one-time low payment, you gain full commercial rights to create and sell affiliate mini sites, something that would typically cost hundreds or even thousands using freelancers or agencies. This package includes everything you need to succeed: AI-powered mini site creation, 8-in-1 traffic generation tools, video and written content automation, SEO optimization, analytics, custom domains, and unlimited customization. You'll be able to create up to 100 complete affiliate sites, promote products from ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and more, and dominate any niche you choose. Plus, you get access to the bonus training webinar, 12 months of updates and support, and all 6 powerful launch bonuses at no extra cost. For those who want to go all in and unlock the full Affiliate Real AI ecosystem, there's the Affiliate Real AI Premium Bundle, available for a one-time investment of $317. This bundle is perfect for agency owners, freelancers, or anyone serious about building a digital empire. It includes everything from the standard version, plus Affiliate Real AI Unlimited, professional, agency white label, VIP coaching, and premium upgrades like Player Neos Advanced, AI Influencers Premium, and AI Offices with white label rights. You'll also receive premium bonuses including done-for-you Fiverr and Upwork gig templates, agency-level email and teleswipes, a DeFi legal contract vetted by an attorney, the Mammoth Agency Graphics Kit, and up to $1,000 in ad credits to start getting high-paying clients. As an added launch perk, you can use the coupon code AFFILIATE at checkout to get $50 off your premium purchase. Whether you choose the $39 standard license or the $317 premium bundle, Affiliate Real AI gives you a powerful edge in the affiliate marketing space. With AI doing the heavy lifting, creating content, building websites, generating traffic, and optimizing conversions, you'll save time, reduce costs, and launch faster than ever. And with the 14-day money-back guarantee, there's zero risk in giving it a try. Choose to leave behind the overwhelm of traditional affiliate marketing and step into a smarter, automated future with Affiliate Real AI. The link is in the description. Get started today before the special pricing expires. And that brings us to the end of our deep dive into Affiliate Real AI, a powerful, all-in-one platform that takes the guesswork, stress, and time out of affiliate marketing. If you're ready to start building affiliate sites that actually make money without writing a single word of content or figuring out complex SEO strategies, this is your chance. With Affiliate Real AI, you can launch professional, conversion-optimized websites in minutes, monetize them with ease, and scale your income streams across any niche you choose. Whether you're just getting started or looking to expand your affiliate business, this tool gives you everything you need to succeed in 2025 and beyond. Don't forget, the link to grab Affiliate Real AI is in the description below, along with any current discounts or coupon codes you can use to save even more. Plus, with the 14-day money-back guarantee, you've got nothing to lose and a lot of passive income potential to gain. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and share it with your fellow marketers who might benefit from this tool. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews, tutorials, and strategies to grow your online business. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.